In this video, I'll show you how to create a policy waiver in Sonatype Lifecycle. First, you're going to choose the application that you'd like to add the waiver to. Remember that waivers are exceptions to the policies that you've set. And the best SCA tools will be able to recognize that not every policy applies to every application all of the time. And they give you the flexibility to be able to ensure that you're actually enforcing the most critical policies to the most critical of components. So to get started, we want to check which policy violations have been triggered, and we'll do so by clicking on Actions and then viewing the report. You'll see a list of components here that have violated a policy during your scan, and then you'll select the component that you want to waive. I'm going to choose YAML beans. So each policy violation will include detailed information like the severity, like an explanation on the vulnerability, like the versions that have been affected, and more. You can also use the similar waivers feature, which shows you if waivers for this component have been applied in other applications. This helps you leverage previous waivers to create your new one. For example, YAML beans, this specific version has been waived in another application because we sanitized the inputs, essentially making the vulnerability irrelevant. So I can apply the same justification here, which makes it easier to get approval for the new waiver. Now let's create our new waiver. So you can customize your waiver based on the scope. You can apply it to the entire organization or just the application. I'm going to choose just the application. You can select if you want to apply it to just the version of this YAML component, or if you want to apply it to all versions. You can also select a waiver expiration period if you want this policy violation to reappear and reassess it at a different time. I'm going to choose never. And then you can also have predefined reasons that help you easily justify why you are creating a waiver. So I'm going to select not exploitable for mine. And then I'm also going to leave some comments here to provide more color. So I'm saying that this violation is not exploitable to this application. And the reason being very similar to the waiver applied to this component on a different application is that we've sanitized our inputs. It's actually the exact same reason. So I'm going to go ahead and submit this waiver. As you can see, there is one unapplied waiver here, so I'm going to run my evaluation again, and now we have one waived violation. And that is how you create a waiver in Sonatype Lifecycle.